Today you're going to see the easiest way to do a drop fade on very difficult hair texture. Let's get into it. So I'm going in with my Supreme Pro clipper all the way close. These clippers are very good for setting that ball line. You don't want to set in the ball line with like in a harsh way because it's, a little bit difficult to get that line out. I'm following up with the trimmers behind it just to make sure that I get all the extra hair that I didn't catch with the clipper. Now I'm going in with the clipper all the way open. I'm setting in that second guideline here. Notice how I'm keeping the guidelines pretty small. I don't want to make them too big because then, it's going to turn into a mid fade. And I want to keep this as low as possible. He wants to get a taper the next time he gets his haircut. It's usually like every 2 to 3 weeks. So if I just give him like more of a lower fade, the next time that he comes in, it won't look weird getting a taper. So I'm just taking out the ball line here. Being able to get these clippers for this price, it's just kind of crazy how efficient they cut, so. Going in with the one guard, I'm trying to keep that same shape, but I'm also not trying to extend the size of that line. And now I'm going to attack the bottom, the second guideline. I just want to soften it up so when I come back with the zero guard, it's a little bit easier to blend. And now I'm going in with the zero guard, trying to blend in to that one guard from the no guard open. And because, with this type of hair texture, if you aren't careful, the way that you flick out, the way that you angle your clipper is so easy to set in extra guidelines and raise the blend. And I'm trying as hard as I can not to do that here. So as you see, I'm using more of the corner of my blade when I'm around the arch of the shape that I'm trying to get. And I'm making sure that I'm combing the hair down so I can see what I'm taking out, what lines I'm getting out, what lines I'm setting in. Just trying to be, as accurate as possible. And I'm going in with my two guard, just seeing what the hair gives me. I always say I want to see what the hair is going to let me get away with. So here I'm just seeing, as you can see, it's a little bit of a weight line up there. I think I did a thinning shears the last time that I cut his hair. So this time I'm just, trying to, like I said, see what the hair gives me. I'm coming in with a 1.5 guard here. And now I'm going with my 3. So I'm using this 3, just so that whatever hair that I didn't get with my 2, I want it to be even, all the way up to the top, to that parietal ridge. And, just so that when his hair does grow back in, it's all, one desired length on the side of that blend. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm not really going to explain the steps, but I did want to just tell you guys real quick, if you wanted to get these clippers, you can use my code. I'll leave it down below. You can get these clippers for a really good discounted price. Like I said, I like the clippers. I feel like these clippers really cut efficient. They're lightweight. They tell you the battery life that you have on them. I think on a good day I can get about 4 haircuts done with these clippers. And it lets you know. I know a lot of clippers usually when they're getting to their low point, they'll just die on you slowly at like 30%. You get to like 30%, you start to hear the motor slow down. With these, I get to 1 minute left and it's still at full throttle. So I definitely was surprised with these clippers. I did not expect for them to be as good as they are. The trimmers hit real good. I haven't gapped them yet. I know that that's something that I do to every single one of my clippers, but I wanted to not just come to you guys and give you a watered down experience with these clippers. I wanted to use them for a while. I wanted to see what I feel about these clippers before I come on here and, you know, tell you guys that you should buy them. Beginner barbers, you literally can go get these clippers and it's like you're buying a $300 clipper and it's so much cheaper. So yeah, it's not expensive. If you use my code, it's a whole lot cheaper. So definitely recommend you guys to use these. I haven't used the other clippers that they have on their site, so I don't know what those are like, but I'm sure it's not much different than what these are. And if you made it to this far into this video, I want to thank you so much. Shout out to y'all for getting me to 1,000 subs. Like, I'm 13 away. I know that once this video drops, after, you know, probably a day or two, I'll be at 1,000 subs. Man, y'all have been showing a crazy amount of love. I had to take a break because I low-key burnt out. I was trying to drop too many tutorials. I was just falling in love with the grind of it, and I started to neglect other areas of my life, and you know, that's not how I roll. That's not how I operate. So I made sure that I took a little break from doing haircut tutorials. I locked back in on cutting hair, spending time with my family, studying for my real estate test. So just want to thank you guys for just showing love, pulling back up to watch this video. I already got a couple of haircuts recorded, so I figured I'd start off with this one because I truly had a blast doing this haircut. It was real challenging, and had fun using these clippers too. So shout out to Supreme Pro for showing love and sending these clippers. I appreciate it so much. So now to start the back taper, I'm just going to try to like blend in that bottom line first. Have the clipper all the way closed. I'm just notching around, doing my best to make everything even. And then I'm going to go on my 1 guard all the way open, just trying to blend into where I'm going to come back with the 2 guard. And now I'm just softening up that 0 guard spot. Now I'm coming back with the 0. And like I said, blending into that in between. I changed my schedule. I used to do like hour cuts with the beard, haircut and beard. Now I'm doing 45. And then for just a regular haircut, I'm doing 30. So if it looks like I'm zooming, it's because I'm probably got another cut that I'm about to do after this, so I gotta hurry up. And then recording the haircut on top of that just makes it so much more difficult. But I watched one of Bacio's videos the other day, and he was talking about how just maximizing your time. He was talking about how he was doing 20 cuts a day at $18, making 6 figures. I'm like, bro, I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something wrong. So I'm definitely going to challenge myself to keep pushing and continue to have these like 11, 12 haircut days and see, you know, how much further I can go. And here I just blended in his beard. I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Then I'm gonna go over top and I'm gonna use a 3 guard on top. I'm just kind of cleaning off the loose hairs that's on top. I'm gonna spray his hair with some Tresemme holding spray. I have the extra hold can, if anybody wonders what it is that I'm using. I should create like some type of link to you guys, for you guys to use everything that I'm using. I'm gonna try to have that done by the next video. Everything that I use is gonna be in the link below. With his hairline here, as you can see, I could easily push it super far back, right? Because it's not that it's light, it just grows in a different direction. So it's hard to set in a line and make that line super sharp. So the best way is just to come back with the razor and just, you know, make it real clean. In this case, using enhancements would work out super well, but he's not really an enhancement type of guy. And, you know, I know how to cut hair with making it look like it's enhanced. So that's just pretty much what I did. And here I'm just stretching the skin so I can set in that beard line. Man, this shot is so tough. Love me a over the shoulder shot, man, that's tough. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up the beard here, clean off the loose hairs. Appreciate y'all for watching this video, man.